So the goal of this problem is to find dy over dx by implicit differentiation. So in this problem, we're going to be finding derivatives of both sides. And one thing to remember is that we will be multiplying the y's by dy over dx, which is something to remember. So we're going to be finding the derivatives of the left side first of e over x times cos y. So we're going to have to find f of x and g of x. So first, f of x is e of x, and g of x is cos y. And we're going to find the derivatives of those, f prime of x being still e of x because it's e, and g prime of x being negative sine y. And because we have a y, we have to do dy over x multiplied by negative sine y. And now that we've done this, we will be using the product rule, which is f times g prime plus f prime times g of x. So that's something to remember. First times second derivative plus first derivative times second, which is going to give us first e of x times second derivative, which is that, plus first prime times second, which is cos y. And now we have to get the derivative of the right side, which is 1 and 1. But since we have a y, we will be multiplying that by dy over dx because that is a variable that we're trying to find. And now, to make this simpler, we're going to distribute the e of x's to make this look a little cleaner and easier to find. And since this is an equation trying to find dy over dx, we are going to be trying to get both of these on one side and the rest of the equation on the other. So we will be simplifying this by subtracting the 1 dy over dx to the left side. And by doing this, we are also going to be subtracting e of x cos y to the right side, trying to get things on one side of the equation to make it look cleaner. And now that we have both on each side, both on one side obviously, we can take that out and put the rest of the equation in parentheses. And this looks much nicer, making the only thing we have left to do is divide this part of the equation, which will give us our final answer of dy over dx equaling 1 minus e of x cos y over negative 1 minus e of x over sine y minus 1.